Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to scan your documents and email it. So let's begin. First of all, you just need a apps that is Google Drive. So you just need to install it from Play Store and open it. So after open, you should select on plus icon, and right now there have an option for scan. Select it. Right now you should scan your document. So here you can see I'm just going to scan it, and here you can see scanned already complete. So right now I just select this arrow icon and then select next, and make sure you select PDF and then upload it. So after upload you just need to wait. Here you can see uploaded. Right now select three dot and select send a copy. So right now select Gmail. So right now you just need to select the receiver's mail ID here, and you can easily send it. So here you can see this is your PDF file that's you are going to send it by email. So in this way you can scan your documents and email it very easily. So I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.